This camera does nothing for me. Okay. Hey guys, it's me. I just woke up, so my apologies for the ew going on, but I just wanted to let you know that I finished the video I'm on my way. You know, I had a preview up. So yeah, I finished that. It like copyrighted it, so it took the music off, but I got it back just by using this little code thing that I learned. So yeah, that's up on my channel if you want to see it. I don't think it went in your subscription boxes. That's why I say, you know, if you want to see it, go to my channel and watch it. It's gonna be the one that autoplays. It's called I'm on my way. So yeah. It might pop up like tomorrow or something. You know how they do that, like somebody uploads something and then it doesn't pop up for like a day. That happens to me. But anyways, okay, thanks guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye.